Good morning. It's Monday, March 30th. I'm Mayor Porter here to give you what I plan to do weekly as an update on what's happening in the city during this virus outbreak. Staff has asked that I read this so I don't forget anything or get sidetracked or editorialized, which is my nature. So, Utah now has 719 confirmed cases, 23 in the Ogden-Weber Morgan Health Department area. The governor's issued a directive to stay safe, stay home. We support that. This means we can help control the spread of the virus by staying home as much as possible, only leaving for grocery shopping in South Ogden, medical treatments, or essential work that cannot be done remotely. Please avoid gathering in groups, even outside at our parks and our trails. Keep at least 6 feet away from others and wash your hands as often as possible. I would encourage you to support our local businesses. Many are doing takeout or delivery, or you can purchase gift cards to be used later. As far as the city goes, our city does remain open for business, although we've modified how we'll work with the public in an effort to protect both our employees and the public. I'll briefly mention some of these modifications we've implemented. Although they're inconvenient, it is out of an abundance of caution for everyone's health. Citywide, all city buildings are closed to the public. Our departments are limiting contact with the public, although staff is available to answer phone calls or to meet in person if necessary. So please call or email if you have questions about court, utility billing, anything else. Just give us a call. We have canceled the April 11th Easter egg hunt. At this point, we're still planning on an awesome South Ogden Days event in June. We'll let you know as it gets closer. City council meetings and planning commission meetings will be held still. They'll be conducted via Facebook Live. Let's talk about our parks. Our park playgrounds and restrooms are closed. That includes the basketball courts and the tennis courts. That is due to the 6-foot rule and Governor Herbert's stay safe, stay home. We do encourage you to get out and enjoy the open space. Just stay a few feet away from people. Park reservations will not be taken prior to any reservation prior to May 1st. And that might be extended as we go. We'll have to see. The dog park at Club Heights will remain closed until further notice. But you are encouraged to take your dogs out to the park. Just make sure they're on a leash and make sure you clean up after them. The fire department has added safety precautions when responding to all medical calls. These precautions begin at the 911 call center. They're going to ask the caller additional information, specific questions about the symptoms of the patient. This will allow our responders to wear the appropriate protective equipment and take precautions. If you have questions related to COVID-19 that are not life-threatening, call the COVID-19 information line or visit coronavirus.utah.gov. Our police department includes animal control records is open for business, but to enhance public protection, they're also practicing social distancing. Whenever possible, calls for service will be handled by phone and outside of our building. City building is currently closed to regular public access. So please call 801-622-2800 for general police department purposes, 622-2800. If you need to speak to an officer or animal control, non-emergency phone number for dispatch is 801-395-8221. And of course, call 911 for any emergencies. For a list of city contact numbers, please go to our website, southoddencity.com. In the bottom, in the lower right-hand corner, there's a thing you can click. It's the COVID-19 emergency protocols window, and that will give you all the information you need. Thanks for listening to me today. Please know that the city officials are doing the best they can do under these unique circumstances, and our decisions are based on advice from experts and what we feel is best to protect all residents and employees. I've heard great stories about neighbors helping neighbors. Let's continue to do that, continue to love, to serve, to reach out. I love this city. We're going to get through this. There's no place I'd rather be quarantined than in South Ogden. So stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you very much.